Namaskar, welcome to IMD's daily weather briefing program. ABC today's highlights. So, two western disturbances in quick succession likely to affect northwest India. Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan during the week with peak activity on 7 and 8 April. Isolated heavy rainfall also likely over Kashmir Valley on 7th of April. Wet spell with rainfall activity and thunderstorm, lightning, gusty wind very likely over central, east and peninsular India till 9th of April with isolated hailstorm over Chhattisgarh on 5th of April, West Madhya Pradesh on 8th, Sub-Saharan West Bengal and Sikkim on 5th, 7th and 8th, Bihar on 6th and 8th, Jharkhand during 6 to 8, isolated heavy rainfall also likely over Sub-Saharan West Bengal, Sikkim on 8 and 9. Day temperature are likely to remain below normal, near normal over most parts of the country during next 7 days, that is during next 1 week. ABC observed weather, heavy rainfall reported yesterday over Arunachal Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Hailstorm over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, East Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha and Telangana. Thunderstorm activity with squally gusty winds, speed reaching 50 to 80 kmph prevailed in isolated locations of Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Gangetic West Bengal, Marathwada, Tamil Nadu. With speed 30 to 50 kmph over Arunachal Pradesh, Gujarat, Jammu Kashmir, Assam, Meghalaya, Madhya Maharashtra, Coastal Maharashtra, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Jharkhand, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Odisha. ABC synoptic system, so there is a western disturbance over central Pakistan, Arjuni, Punjab region, and another circulation over western parts of Uttar Pradesh. Trough runs from Gangetic West Bengal to Telangana, and there is a trough runs from Rayalaseema to Gulf of Mannar with a cyclone circulation over Rayalaseema, and there is a one cyclone circulation over west central Bay of Bengal adjoining south coastal Andhra Pradesh. And there is a circulation over western parts of Assam in lower levels. Fresh western system likely to affect northwest India from 7th of April. So under the influence of these systems, forecast for maximum temperature rise in maximum temperature by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius likely over northwest India on 5th and 6th. Gradual fall by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius on 7th and 8th because of thunderstorm activity. Gradual rise by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius during 9 to 11. Rise in maximum temperature by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius likely over central India on 5th. No significant change during 6th to 11th. Fall in maximum temperature by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius over East India till 8th April and gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during 9 to 11th. No significant change in maximum temperature likely over Northeast India till 6th. Gradual fall by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius during 7th to 9th and no significant change during 10th and 11th. No significant change in maximum temperature likely over West India till 7th and gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during the period of 8 to 11th of April. And ABC weather warning for today. So orange color is given for Odisha and Southern West Bengal, Sikkim for intense thunderstorm with gusty wind speed reaching 50 to 60 kmph, and also hailstorm activity likely over Chhattisgarh and Southern West Bengal. Although thunderstorm activity likely to continue over northwest India, especially Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh, central India, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, south peninsular India, especially Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and northeast India, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, with possibility of heavy rainfall over Arunachal Pradesh, south coastal Andhra Pradesh, Ghat areas of Tamil Nadu and Kerala today. And if we see the weather warning for 6th, so orange color for thunderstorm, gusty winds and hailstorm over western parts of Rajasthan, Bihar and Jharkhand, and heavy rainfall over Arunachal Pradesh, northern parts of coastal Andhra Pradesh, Ghat area of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Otherwise, the regions with yellow color, thunderstorm activity likely, especially Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, central India, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, remaining parts of East India, Northeast India and South Central India. On 7th, the activity will reach peak activity on 7th over northwest India, hailstorm, thunderstorm, lightning, gusty wind, speed reaching 50 to 60 kmph over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, West Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan, and heavy rainfall over Kashmir Valley on 7th. Second zone of orange color is Jharkhand and Sikkim region, South and West Bengal, with possibility of hailstorm over there. Otherwise, regions with the yellow color, thunderstorm activity likely, with heavy rainfall possibility over Assam, Meghalaya on 7th. On 8th, the activity will continue on northwest, central and east India, with hailstorm and gusty wind over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, Jharkhand, Southern and West Bengal, Sikkim and western parts of Madhya Pradesh, and heavy rainfall over Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, and otherwise the regions with yellow color, thunderstorm activity likely over these regions. On 9th, the activity will concentrate east, northeast, east central and south central India, and heavy rainfall over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya and Southern and West Bengal, Sikkim. On 10th, there is no weather warning, and on 11th, heavy rainfall issued for Assam, Meghalaya. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.